this view here. Really something here. All this, you can look down the valley down there. See water running. All the cliffs over here. Oh, the old ruins over here too. Yeah, you can see them right down in there in the shadows. They got a primo spot down here. You can have a beautiful view of the whole area. Not too far from the greenery for crops or whatever. Super nice here. I'm talking to myself here, so. To my camera here, that's all. Yeah, look at this here. Beautiful. This is where we are here at this little surface is a little uneven. Shadow Man is there, of course. But yeah. Here we go, up here. We came down the steps up there. And this is like built into the side, so it's not paved or anything. It's just part of the rocks here. And they put a wall up there so we don't fall over. The Mummy Cave is down in there somewhere where that settlement used to be, where they found remains of bodies or mummies wrapped in animal skins or something there. So look at that. Wow. That there. All right.